Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A36, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen. You can swipe down from the top right side, as this will show you the toggles. And in here, we're going to swipe down once more. This will extend the list of visible toggles, revealing the screen recording. Click on it. Select what kind of audio you want to record, and then select Start Recording. You can also skip the countdown. And whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. That will also include opening up applications, though you might be limited with some applications, which will prevent the screen recorder from being able to see them. Once you're done, you can click on the square. This will save the screen recording to your gallery application, and you can see it right here. You can also navigate into albums, and in albums you'll find a screen recording album in which you will obviously find just screen recordings. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.